Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Nice. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about types of fiber, what is natural fiber, what is synthetic fiber, and types of synthetic fiber, and rayon. So, students, tell me how many types of fibers are there? Yes, two types, that is natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Very good. What are the natural fibers? Yes, the fibers which are found from natural things such as plants and animals. Good. What are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are synthesized by human beings in the laboratory using lots of chemicals. Very good. Which synthetic fiber is known as artificial silk and why? Rayon. Why? Because it looks like silk. Very good. Tell me two uses of rayon. It is used for making bed sheets, carpets, and it is also used for making surgical bandages. Very good. What are nylon and what is its specialty? You don't know. So, okay. So, students, today we will discuss about nylon and its uses, polyester, acrylic, characteristics of synthetic fiber. So, let's start. What is nylon? Nylon was the first synthetic fiber. It was first fully synthetic fiber which was synthesized chemically which was entirely made from chemicals. The basic raw materials for the production of nylon was coal, water and air. So, what are the properties of nylon? It is very strong, it is elastic and light. So, it is also lustrous, easy to wash. It became very popular for making clothes. It slightly absorbs water and dries quickly. As you can see in this picture, it absorbs slight waters and it also dries very quickly. So, let's see some of the uses of nylon. Nylon is used for making ropes. So, you can also use the rope for climbing mountains. Nylon is also used for making parachute. It is also used for making socks because it is elastic. It is also used for making car seat belts. It is also used for making tents. It is also used for making umbrella, backpacks, raincoat, toothbrush bristles, and a fishing net also. So, as there are many properties like it is strong, elastic, and also durable, easy to wash, absorbs slight water, it dries up quickly. So, it is used for making various our daily life products like this. So, nylon is very useful fabric for us. So, let's understand about the nylon through this video. If I ask you if there is any thread stronger than the steel thread, you will definitely answer no. But there is an artificial thread used in fabrics that is stronger than steel thread. So, how a fabric thread can be stronger than a steel thread? Let's find out. A miraculous fiber named nylon is what we are referring to. Yes, it is the fiber that is used to make several applications, right from making clothes to making durable ropes for tracking, and also has been for its great demand. It also has great demands. It is first ever fiber that is completely synthetic. Unlike rayon, which is that was made from cellulose, it is made from coal, water, and air. But how exactly was nylon came into existence? It was after the World War First, that is, an American company started making research about various fabrics that are strong, elastic, and durable. So, a professor named Wallace Cathelas and his team was successful in inventing a polymer that is highly elastic, durable, and also very strong. It was synthesized by using basic components like coal, water, and air. So, nylon was the first synthetic fiber produced. It did not use any raw material like plant or animal, so it is completely synthetic fiber. So let's see what are the application. Nylon was first used for making toothbrushes, then it was also used for making ropes for climbing, and then as year passed by, it was several modification was done. This led to its increased application. This was used for it has several properties like lightweight it was, so it was used for making clothes. It is used for it is easy to handle and wash also, so it was very popular in textile industry. Now we can see various products we use in our daily life are made up of nylon. Then let's comes to polyester. Polyester is actually made up of repeating units of a chemical called ester. Esters are the chemicals which gives fruits their smell. Fabrics are sold by names like polycot, polywood, and terrycot. As the name suggests, these are made by mixing two types of fibers. Like polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton. As you can see in this picture, this is the polycut sari, and polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. As you can see in the picture, it is the polywool straw, and also PET also a polyester which is used for making bottles. So there are several. It is. Let's see the properties of polyester. It is very strong. It is durable, resistance to chemical. Polyester do not shrink. It is hydrophobic in nature and dries up quickly, and it does not absorb water. It retains its sap. It is easily washed and dried. So as you can see, this is the polyester. This is the image of a polyester cloth. It is shiny in nature. It looks like it does not absorb that much of water. It is easily dried also. So it is easy to handle polyester clothes. That's why polyester clothes are very popular nowadays. Then comes to acrylic. Acrylic is also called as an artificial wool. Acrylic fibers are synthetic fibers made from polymer polyacrylonitrile. So let's see the properties of acrylic. It is warm and lightweight. It is soft and flexible. It is resistant to moths and chemicals. It gives wool-like feel. It does not shrink and wrinkle resistance. It is cheaper than wood. It is also dried very well in a variety of. It is also dyed very well in a variety of colors. So as you can see, acrylic is also known as artificial wool. As you can see in this picture, from acrylic we can make various winter clothes. So there's sweater, gloves, winter caps. Then let's see what are the uses of acrylic. Acrylic is often used for making sweater, blanket, Kashmiri jacket, shawl and tracksuit. As you can see, this is a picture. These are the pictures of blanket, shawl, jackets and tracksuit. It is also used for lining up for boot and gloves, as well as furnishing fabrics and carpets. It is also used in cartons, boxes and vehicles covers. So let's see the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Most synthetic fiber have good elasticity. Most of the synthetic fiber have good elasticity. Most fabrics made from, what are the advantages? Let's see. Most fabric of synthetic fiber do not wrinkle easily. Fabrics made from synthetic fiber are generally more durable, less expensive and more readily available than those of natural fiber. Most synthetic fiber can handle heavy loads without breaking. Then what are the disadvantages of synthetic fiber? Most fabrics made from synthetic fibers require careful ironing as they melt easily. Most fabric made from synthetic fibers absorb very little moisture. They become sticky when the body sweats, which makes them uncomfortable to wear in hot weather. In hot weather, most of us don't prefer to wear synthetic clothes. Most of us prefer to wear cotton clothes because it absorbs our sweat. But in synthetic clothes don't absorb our sweat like the cotton clothes, so it is uncomfortable to wear. The most fabrics made from synthetic fibers catch fire very easily, therefore it is also dangerous to wear them. So students, I advise you, please don't go near the fire wearing synthetic clothes, and during Diwali also don't wear synthetic clothes, wear cotton clothes so that you can be safe. So let's watch we see that most of the synthetic fibers have some of the common characteristics, like they are easy to handle, they are elastic, they are less water absorbent. So most of the synthetic fiber have common characteristics. So let's see these characteristics of synthetic fibers by this video. Characteristics of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers have unique characteristics which makes them popular dress materials. Let's discuss some of the characteristics of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are very strong. They are strong as compared to cotton clothes. They are very strong as compared to cotton clothes. So if we suspend a weight to synthetic and cotton fiber, the synthetic fiber can bear more weight than the cotton fiber. This shows that the strength of synthetic fiber is more than cotton fiber. So you can see the strength of synthetic fiber is more than cotton fiber. The next property is synthetic fibers are wrinkle resistance. So they are wrinkle resistance as compared to the cotton clothes. Synthetic fibers absorbs less water. So let's understand this by doing an activity. Let's dip the synthetic and cotton cloth in a bucket called A and B respectively. We find that the bucket A has more water than bucket B, which shows that synthetic fibers absorbs less water. Synthetic fibers are more lightweight than natural fibers. So if we measure the weight, synthetic fiber are lightweight. Synthetic fiber has smooth texture as compared to the natural fiber. Then synthetic fiber cannot be attacked by moth, but the natural fiber can be damaged by insect. You can see your cotton clothes are damaged by insect. Synthetic fibers are more durable. It can exist for larger period of time. Synthetic fibers have high resistance to wear and tear, last for long time and easier to maintain. On the other hand, synthetic clothes get damaged easily, need proper look after. Synthetic fibers do not shrink after washing. Synthetic fibers are readily available and less expensive as compared to the cotton. Synthetic fibers do not lose their luster even after repeating washing as compared to the natural fibers. So these are some common characteristics of synthetic fibers. So I hope you have understood it very well. So students, recognize the pictures. From which fiber it is made up of? Yes, very good. It is made up of nylon. From which fiber it is made up of? Yes, acrylic. Very good. And this sari is made up of what? Yes, polycot. Very good. And these bed sheets are made up of what? Rayon. Very good. Still two uses of nylon. Nylon is used for making ropes. It is also used for making car belts, umbrella, car seat belts. Very good. What are polyester? Polyesters are a polymer consisting of ester groups. Very good. What are the properties of acrylic? Acrylic is also known as artificial wool. It provides us warmth. It is wrinkle resistance, durable, strong. Very good. Why should you should not wear synthetic clothes in front of air? Because it catches air very easily. Very good. So you have homework. Make a list of things that are made up of nylon, rayon, polyester and acrylic. Write down the importance of synthetic fibers. So thank you.